Just tested out the axe canards. I think they work fantastic. I just think they need to be all over the truck. Got a couple scrapes going through the trees. Through these massive bolts through here too. Oh, that sucker's not going anywhere. Again, throw this bad boy in 4x4. Come on, little axes work. Woo-hoo-hoo! There we go. My $40 grill guard that I welded up, held together. Kinda stopped stuff. Not really. I have no idea how these bedsides still are here. Those have been broken since Silver Lake. What's really important is my Trophy Barrel sticker still there. Support the companies that support you. Do you see a wall in front of you? Because I see a wall in front of us. I see small shrubs, but a wall. Seatbelts. Seatbelts are good. Seatbelts are friendly. 4x4 drive. Woo! Oh! Don't get stuck, big girl. Yeah, we definitely are taking a tree with us. Oh, wow! You gotta go back to that thing. Oh my god! Alright, let's go look at that. Yeah! The $10 brush guard worked. Oh, my bumper is not happy though. Ooh, it's okay. You did good, friend. Oh, wow. We took down an actual Chevy for the win. Holy crap. Oh my god, that's fantastic. How in the hell did a Chevy 1500 rip down this tree? That doesn't make any sense. A little bit of bumper damage. Ooh. Axe canards are still working though. That's the most important thing. That is not happy.